This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So my next question is, what is the VCS and why do we need to use the VCS on Git?
Well, it's the same thing, the version controlling. So the Git, what Git does actually, whatever we actually push, Git actually keep the track every single thing, what has been pushed before, what has been pushed after. So through this version controlling, our process is the first round of technical review is once I push, actually inform my reviewer to review based on the user story, based on the automation. So he actually perform the entire review and make them comments. And if there is a lot of comments, then we set up a meeting so that I actually take the notes, what I have to fix before I push again. So our initial review we do through the Git, and the VCS means you actually can see what has been before, what has been after.